Glyconorm is marketed as a blood sugar support supplement that supposedly helps regulate glucose levels and supports overall metabolic health. But the real question is, does it actually help with blood sugar management, or is it another supplement making promises it cannot fully deliver? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in blood sugar supplements do have research behind them. Ingredients such as berberine, chromium, cinnamon extract, and alpha-lipoic acid have been studied for their potential effects on glucose metabolism. What it does well may provide nutritional support for blood sugar management. Certain ingredients found in these supplements have shown modest benefits in some studies, could help support healthier habits. People who start taking a blood sugar supplement often become more mindful of their diet and lifestyle choices. Where the hype falls apart, it is not a cure for diabetes. This is the biggest issue. No over-the-counter supplement can replace proper medical treatment for diabetes or serious blood sugar problems. Marketing often exaggerates results. Claims suggesting dramatic glucose reductions or instant metabolic improvements should be viewed carefully. Scientific evidence for the exact product may be limited. Even if individual ingredients have research behind them, that does not automatically prove Glyconorm itself is highly effective. So, should you buy Glyconorm? Short answer: it may provide modest support for blood sugar management, but is unlikely to deliver the dramatic results often featured in marketing materials. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.